Are your posts getting zero reach suddenly? You might be shadow banned. Here's how to diagnose and fix it properly. Did your engagement drop overnight or gradually? This tells us if it's a ban or algorithm change. Let me know in the comments below. First, check account quality in settings. If you see any violations, delete that content immediately and wait 72 hours before posting again. Run a test. Post something completely neutral like good morning with no links or tags. If even this gets no views, it's likely a shadow ban. Engage normally but stop posting for 3 days. Like and comment on others' posts to rebuild trust with the algorithm. Avoid any third-party posting tools during this time. Schedule posts directly through Facebook Creator Studio instead. Still no reach after 1 week? Use Facebook's appeal form. Be polite but persistent with support. See your reach recovering. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.